Hello friends, today we will discuss the questions and answers of Act 1, Scene 1 of Julius Caesar. This video is based on the first question of your workbook Act 1, Scene 1 of Julius Caesar. So without a further delay, let's get started. Who are Flavius and Marullus? Where are they and what are they doing there? Why? Flavius and Marullus are two important officials in ancient Rome. They are on a street trying to stop a group of people from celebrating Caesar's victory. They want to remind the people of their duties to Rome and stop them from celebrating on a working day. Who are the idle creatures? Why are they called so? What makes the speaker ask if it is a holiday? The idle creatures are the common people who are celebrating Caesar's victory. They are called so because they are not working on a laboring day, which is unusual. The speaker, Flavius, asks if it is a holiday because he believes that the people should not be celebrating on a working day without identifying themselves by their profession. He is trying to reassert the authority of the Roman Republic and remind the people of their duties. Give the meaning of the following. Being mechanical, this phrase refers to the common people being ordinary, unskilled workers who do not have a specific profession or trade. It implies that they are not skilled or sophisticated, but rather simple laborers. A laboring day, this is a working day, where people are expected to engage in their usual occupations. It is a day when people typically go about their daily work, rather than celebrating or taking a holiday. Sign of your profession, this refers to the symbols or markers that identify a person's occupation or trade. For example, a carpenter might wear a leather apron or carry a rule to signify their profession. Flavius is asking the common people to identify themselves by their profession, which is a way of asserting his authority and reminding them of their duties. Whom does Marullus address in the last line of the extract? What reply does he get? How does he react to the reply? Marullus addresses the common people in the last line of the extract. He scolds them for celebrating Caesar's victory, saying, "Begone, run to your houses, fall upon your knees, pray to the gods to intermit the plague that needs must light on this ingratitude." The common people reply by disappearing, tongue-tied in their guiltiness. Marullus reacts by ordering them to remove the images that honor Caesar if they find them decorated with ceremonies. Giving an example each, show how Flavius and Marullus are men in authority. Who among them do you think exercises greater authority? Why? Flavius exercises authority by directly addressing the common people, asking them to identify themselves by their profession, and ordering them to return to their homes. He also tells them to gather all the poor people of their sort, and weep their tears into the channel, which shows his ability to command and direct the actions of others. Marullus exercises authority by scolding the common people for their ingratitude and ordering them to remove the images that honor Caesar. He also questions the propriety of celebrating Caesar's victory on a laboring day and reminds the people of their duty to Rome. I believe that Flavius exercises greater authority in this scene. He is more direct and commanding in his language, and his orders are more specific and detailed. Marullus is more rhetorical and scolding, but his authority is still evident in his ability to address the common people and order them to remove the images.